let us head to Microsoft Word and let's see on how we can actually bring one of the extensions live with Microsoft Word. Now, in order to enable extensions into my Microsoft Word, we have the add-ins button, which is right in the home tab. So the add-ins is basically a functionality that is going to be included with Office. So we have some extensions that are going to be included here. So when I tap into it, we have some popular add-ins that we have. So I will just basically go on and I'll just choose to bring some more add-ins into this. So I have this Office add-in store. Now within the Office add-in store, I'm just going to search for one of the extensions that I can be including. So my personal favorite that I will be using is QuillBot. So I'm just going to be including QuillBot. So when I just search for it, I can see I get the QuillBot's extension here. So I'll just click on add. And here it says that you have to agree to the terms and conditions. I say continue. And it will basically tell me that it is getting loaded. So here we have the QuillBot's extension that has been loaded. So QuillBot is basically this application. So QuillBot.com. So if I go into this, I can basically write some text here. So say for example, if I want to say that a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And if I just click on paraphrase, so it is going to paraphrase the text for me without changing the actual meaning of the text. So this is basically how we are going to make use of it even in our Microsoft Word. So let's head to Microsoft Word. Alright. So here it is going to ask me to sign up for the QuillBot app. So I'm going to enter my login credentials and let's see how we can actually use it. Alright, so I have included my login credentials with QuillBot and now you can see that I have the QuillBot task pane that I have added up over here. Apart from that, QuillBot has also been added as a tab in my ribbon where I have the launch QuillBot button. So when I click on the launch QuillBot, it basically opens up this for me. So now say for example, if I want to include some text that I need to paraphrase. So let me try to just include it. So I'll just scroll this up a bit. Here we go. So say for example, I just want to try to include some of the text that I want to paraphrase. So I'm just going to add it. So I'm just going to select the text, drag. Yes, here we go. So now you can see that the text has now been included here. Now only what I need to do is I want to click on paraphrase. So when I click on paraphrase, QuillBot will take its time in order to paraphrase it with different prepositions or different grammatical versions of this particular text that I have included. And you can see that it is now included it over here. I have the insert button. The moment I click on insert button, you can see that it is now added this particular section. So this particular 3 lines is basically now included with the newer version that has been paraphrased by QuillBot.